Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. I have a Master Lock combination lock. And so my daughter just started school again, and for the first time, she actually was assigned a locker, and the locker has a combination lock. Now, to my surprise, she's never really dealt with combination locks before, and so I figured I would take out my little Master Lock here and show her how to unlock a combination lock. And so I figured, hey, I'll make a short little video to show you all how to unlock a combination lock. Okay, so this particular combination lock is brand new. I just opened up the package here, and on the back, stuck with tape, is the actual 3-digit combination. And in this case, it is 38-4-18. And this is just a standard 3-digit combination lock, and they all generally work the same, including a 3-digit school locker combination lock. And so how do you operate and open up combination locks? Well, a 3-digit combination lock, basically it always starts by going clockwise. This is kind of how you reset a combination lock. No matter what you do to the combination lock, if you've tried this and you screwed up the combination and you can't open up your thing, well, you want to reset it just by going around clockwise several times, and that resets the whole combination. And so to set the first number, you're just going around clockwise, and then we're just going to hit the 38 going clockwise just like that, and we'll just land on the 38. And again, it's 38-4-18 is what we're after. And so to get the next number, in this case the 4, we're going to go counterclockwise. And you could see we're at 38 right now, and the 4 is over here. But we're not going to stop at the 4 immediately. For the second number, you always pass the number of interest one time. So we're going to pass it going counterclockwise. We're going to pass the 4 once and go all the way around and then land on the 4 on the second time around. Now, skipping the number once only applies to the second number. The third number, you're not going to skip it at all. You're going to go clockwise again, and we're going to go from the 4 in this case all the way to the 18, which is down here. And you're not going to skip the 18 the third time. So the third number you're not skipping, you're just going to go straight to the 18, just like that. And then the lock should just open. And when you're ready to just lock up your combination lock, again, you just, in this case, you put the bar back down, and then you just kind of randomly twist the dial just so it's not set to anything. Same thing with a locker door. You just basically shut your locker door and you just spin the lock just so the numbers are just randomized. And so that is our 38-4-18 combination. But let's maybe visualize it a little bit different. Let's, instead of using the actual combination, let's assume this lock works on a 0-0-0 3-digit combination. So instead of 38-4-18, it's 0-0-0. And so that might be a little easier to visualize what we're doing. So again, we're spinning it clockwise several times to just kind of reset it. And then we're eventually just going to land on the first digit, which our pretend digit is 0. So we're landing there and stopping. Now we're going to go counterclockwise. Again, we're going to go counterclockwise and skip the second digit, which in this case is 0, once. So we're just going to go all the way around, skipping the 0 once, and then landing on it the second time. Just like that. So that would be our second digit. Now for the third digit, we're going to go clockwise, and we're not going to skip it this time, but we're just going to land on it the first time we hit it. So, boom. And that is how the combination works. This is not a 0-0-0 lock, so it will not open, but hopefully you visualize it with the 0. And so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please hit that like button on the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.